Hey guys, so it's Ate Nikki here, and today we are joined by Kuya Den, and we are going to be unboxing something very exciting.
And very heavy.
It's a karaoke machine, so let's see what it is first. That scared me. Alright, so this is the Grand Videoke SE Pro Plus. It's a mouthful. I know. I had trouble getting through that.
Such a very long name.
Yes, it's very long. So, when was this released, Kuya Den?
It was released, I think, late last year.
No,
It's one of the newest Videoke machines from Grand, and this is currently their top of the line aside from the Grand Videoke Symphony 3. And it retails for 29,873 pesos.
Wow, very affordable.
Very affordable for Nikki because she's rich and she has a lot of money. But for poor plebs like us, you know, it's
That's
a little
tuition,
pricey, almost 30,000 pesos.
Pretty much.
So let's take a look at this box right here before we open it.
Well, it says right there, 85,000. No, wait.
8,500 songs.
I'm gonna wear my glasses.
Um,
That's actually a lot of songs already. So if you remember from our previous one that we reviewed, there was one, the HD Mini Wow Fiesta, where it had a base of like 2,000 plus songs.
so this is like times 4 almost. Times
yeah.
4. Right. And it supports voice commands, so you can choose songs.
Alexa, play Despacito. I'm kidding.
Alexa, play Despacito. Perfect pitch, which is like the game mode of Grand.
Ben over here.
You have GV Smart app.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can control the Videoke using your mobile phone.
So it says here actually what the package already contains. So it has the main unit, 2 professional wireless mics, so you can have a duet with your crush, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your mom, your dad, or your ex.
User-friendly remote control, song user list and manual, HDMI cable, RCA cable, USB Wi-Fi adapter, handy bag, auto volt power adapter.
So let's
What else?
read more in the back. There's a lot of words on this. You know what? Let's just open it.
Yeah, it's a nice box. That's it. It's very informative. So Arya, stick it with the pointy end.
This is my needle. That's dangerous.
Is that Valyrian steel, obsidian, dragon glass?
Stainless steel. Doesn't rust. Let's put this away. That's dangerous. It's a bag. Okay.
Dun 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 dun.
So we have a very lovely Grand Videoke logo finish right here, and very secure. It has the I keep forgetting
Nice
what
pouch.
these are called. Yeah.
Pouch?
It's
Carry
pretty
case?
much pouch. So this is the first thing that comes to my line of sight. I think these are like hairnets for your mic.
Yes,
So that's interesting. If you don't want to, you know,
for sanitary
yeah,
purposes.
if you don't want to go through all of those.
So over here we have the wall wart. Okay, 12 volts, I presume. Yep, 12 volts. Very small wall wart.
Everything is packaged very securely and neatly.
Because it's new.
So here's the stand.
So this is the base unit.
And then the remote. Of course, we're never going to take this plastic off.
No, I'm taking it off.
We have an HDMI cable. So that's interesting. They provide an HDMI cable. I thought they only provided an RCA cable.
Well,
Yeah, I
yeah,
guess
it did list the HDMI cable on the box.
Was it? Yeah, HDMI cable. Let's see. Okay. And then we have. Oh, that's nice. They provide
nice.
batteries.
Ooh,
Usually,
batteries.
usually they don't do that. You know, because batteries sold separately. Apparently, also AAA's. So two
Two double A's,
two packs of
four
double
double
A's.
A's.
and
Triple A's.
1 2-pack of a triple A. So these are the mics. I'll give you one, and I'll take another one. Then we can both unwrap it. Get out!
So very nice looking microphones.
I like this.
The shape is inspired by a clarinet. So, you know,
Oh, a
it's like this,
design.
like a clarinet. That's the
Okay.
design, the inspiration behind the Grand line of products.
That's nice, actually. Of course, fits snugly onto the base unit. And then we have the RCA cables, and of course, no karaoke machine is complete without a songbook. So, quick guide pamphlet. If you're one of those people who reads these, go ahead. Yep. Okay.
My turn.
So we have the song list. This is a very nice songbook, I have to say.
Second album.
Yeah, it's really nice. There's also, well, they did say 1,500 plus songs, so I would imagine the songbook is pretty thick.
And so I'm pretty sure there's something for you
For you to sing.
in this 8,500 songs.
So actually, the price that you said earlier was a base unit without any songs in it. Is that correct?
No, without any expansion.
Oh, without any
So,
expansion. Okay.
It
so-
comes with 8,500 preloaded songs,
Mhm.
and then you can expand it using song packs.
which are available on their website, so you can go check that out. We'll put the links in the description for the website.
Oh, you actually do have a song pack. Where's that?
Oh, I put it in
Hard.
one of the boxes. Hold on. Hold up. It's here somewhere. Ta-da! So, I am not aware of what volume this is. You were the one who received it.
No, so the way this works is you can buy this song pack. It comes with a pin code, and then you can use it to load any of the 14 volumes.
Oh no,
That's
that one
currently
is
available.
for the HD Mini. This one, the Grand Videoke song packs go up to 10 volumes.
Okay, so
But
you can choose to load any of the 10 volumes.
I peeked into the volume 10 song pack. There are some pretty recent songs in there, and I am happy with that. So, as someone who isn't really that knowledgeable with old songs. So yeah,
So there you have it. This is the Grand Videoke SE Pro Plus.
We will
Can't
be-
get any longer than that.
yeah. Basically, it's just what the contents are inside the set that you will be buying for the price of 29,873 pesos. We will be doing a more in-depth review in a bit if you're going to stick around. Hopefully you stick around, and we will see you guys next time. So this has been Ate Nikki,
And this is Kuya Den.
and you should like, comment, and subscribe. And
If you want to see more awkward moments like this, leave a comment below. Tell us what you want to see. Tell us if you would like us to have a singing battle, or if you want us to, what you want us to do with this. Leave
Hit
a
the
comment
bell.
below.
Hit the bell.
Okay,
Bye!
bye.
Thanks.